Today in the CosBond workshop, we're going to show you how to easily make hinges for your cosplay using CosBond's Reinforcer. First, we'll prep the pieces we want to hinge by making sure they're clean and sanded smooth. Next, we're going to use CosBond's Reinforcer to join the back of our L200 and craft foam pieces. CosBond adhesives deliver an incredibly powerful hold with no mess, no fumes, and no dry time, and it works on things like thermoplastics, metals, foams, fabrics, and just about any cosplay material you might use. But Reinforcer is backed by a synthetic material that won't rip or tear. Simply cut the Reinforcer into strips or one large piece to join your pieces together to form a hinge. For larger pieces, you'll want to make sure that you use enough Reinforcer so that the hinge is substantial enough to hold the pieces together. For smaller pieces like articulating fingers, you'll be able to get away with smaller strips. And we're done. With CosBond Reinforcer, we have strong, flexible hinges with no mess, no fumes, and no dry time.